Daddy.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Weld County in northeast Colorado until 9:45 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from a thunderstorm 3 miles north of Lockerbie or 25 miles south of Greeley. This storm was moving north at 5 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Lockbury and Hudson. This replaces the small stream flood advisory that was in effect for extreme South Central Weld County. Doppler radar and weather spotters estimate that 2 to 3 inches of rain has fallen from this storm in the last 1.5 hours. Excessive runoff from this storm will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks and streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the roadway, as the water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Do not underestimate the power of our flood waters. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can quickly carry away your vehicle. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating. A flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties: Weld County in northeast Colorado,